What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to do a unboxing and first use of this SMD soldering rework station. I found this on Amazon for super cheap and needed one, so I picked it up. And today we're going to check it out. So obviously the box has Chinese markings all over it. And I have opened it, but I have not taken it out or used it yet. So open it up and you have the manual here, SMD rework station, and here we have some tips. Let's see. Not exactly sure what that is. There's the iron. So this is the blowgun. Alright. Pull this top styrofoam piece off. And there's the station. Go ahead and pull it out. Looks pretty good. No scratches or dings or anything that I can see. We'll set that down. Let's see. We've got the iron holder, looks like. Or no, that's the blowgun holder. Oh, here's the iron holder and styrofoam. So we'll set that aside. And we'll see if we can set this up. Let me get situated here. Set the camera. Okay, so we will unwrap the cord, plug it in, make sure this isn't anywhere it shouldn't be, and let's see what happens. Nothing there. Because there is a master. And nothing. Oh, yep, there we go. Hot air works. So let's go ahead and pull the gun mount out. Looks pretty nice. Has the sponge with it there, obviously. We'll set that right there. And I am gonna leave this heat gun alone for right now. Figure that out later. I only need the soldering iron right now. So we will go ahead and came with a little rubber tip on it. Looks alright, nothing special, but we will get it plugged in here. Just like that. We will set it in its holder and we will go ahead and turn it on. And it is rising quickly. Wow, very responsive. I like it. So, what I need to do is I'm working on this circuit board right here. This is just a toy that I had put together, but I noticed one of the wires came off the board here for the battery. Goes in right. Of course you wouldn't want to focus, would you? Goes in right there though. And there is a little bit of solder on the back side. I've been looking for my solder wick. I have no idea where it went. So I'm going to use a little can of air duster and we'll make it work. Get you set up here. Okay, so let me pull the iron out. Go ahead and heat up this leftover solder. Not quite hot enough. There we go. So melts the solder really fast. Let's see if we can get this duster to blow it out of here. Maybe a little more. I know it would definitely help if I had a vise, but at this point I don't, so I have to do this the hard way. Nuts. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of difficulty. There, we finally got the old piece of wire out of the hole. Okay, that was a bit of a pain, but as you can see here, we did get the wire attached. Let's see if it works. And it works. So that is the ZENY soldering rework station. I like it. Thanks.